Well, as we do experience our first taste of summer, the cost to fix your air conditioning could heat up too, all thanks to some big changes in the HVAC industry. So at the beginning of the year, a new federal government mandate required technicians to switch to a more environmentally friendly refrigerant coolant. That's what makes your AC work. The problem is, it's hard to find.
The shortage really is just actually the containers that are carrying this refrigerant.
Yeah, so because of that shortage, the Texas Air Conditioning Contractors Association here in North Texas says prices could run some companies anywhere from $900 to $1,000 a barrel, a cost that will, of course, eventually make its way to you, the customer. So what are your options?
If you know that you may be having some issues with your air conditioner, get them taken care of now.
Well, we did hear from a local HVAC company yesterday who told us this is a good time for maintenance. The real rush set to come later on this summer, but I imagine as a lot of folks are firing up their AC for the first real time this week, they might notice some issues. I expect a lot of those technicians getting some phone calls.
Oh yeah, going to be busy.